Romela Ducoy, Marlo Aquino with a hook shot.
And every time Dennis Espino is about to check in, and you will see him, pagdaan natin ang camera dyan, ito si Marlo Aquino starts to make his basket. Para ito si Coach Boy, hindi niya na alam, papalitan ko ba si Marlo o hindi?
Nandiyan pa rin si Dennis Espino sa sidelines. Ito ngayon si Roger Yap. Roger Yap, hinahanap si Kirby Raimundo. Trying to shake off itong si Ryan Reyes. Yap goes up! Yes! So it's like Pure Foods players saying that, you know, sige, you want to bother up James Yap, kami na lang ang gagawa dito.
Yap and Simon, they have been attacking the basket. Hindi sila natatakot. Miski maraming shot blockers itong Santa Lucia.
And they will go to Marlo Aquino. Aducol has 5 fouls. Aquino ngayon, 5 seconds to shoot. Humihit. Aquino, nice fake, kicks it up. 2 seconds to shot block. And Miranda misses that one. Bigris high up for the rebound. Lead pass to James Yap. James Yap against Denok Miranda. Side-stepping move to Swan. Again, a bola. It ends up with Kelly Williams. Running down court. Williams to Reyes. Yes!
That's what happens when you miss a layup on one end. Santa Lucia is a team that likes to run. They're a quick team. If you miss a layup in this league, you're going to pay with another layup on the other end.
James Yap for 3. Bang! A PM3 from James Yap. Is this a sign again for Pure Foods? Titingnan natin.
James Yap, simply one of the best fourth quarter scorers in the entire league. And he's one of the best big game players at nakikita natin yan. Nagsisimula ng pumasok ang mga tira ni James Yap.
Hindi nila maibigay kay Marlo ang bola. Ikot na lang sa other end. Here's Ryan Reyes. To Reyes. To Norman Gonzalez. Nabuso ang shot clock. Sabi na referee, teka lang muna, Roger. Set up niyo muna dahil inabot na nga ng shot clock. Ito Santa Lucia.
Those 11 points really showed that he's a post presence. Most of them coming here in the second half.
Pingris wants the basketball. Posting up against Bitoyo Molon. Pingris ngayon. Na-double team. Nawala ng bola. Joseph Yeo gets it. At may pumapit dito kay Joseph Yeo.
But Kirby Raimundo picking up his 5th.
That's a 5th foul on Kirby Raimundo. So what's the move here by Coach Ryan? Will he stay with Kirby or pagpapahingay niya? Ito na, atakihin ka agad nila. Ito si Kirby Raimundo. Bitoy Omolon making his move. Bitoy Omolon. Nasa laduran is Joseph Yeo. Plenty of time. 10 seconds of shot clock. Yeo for 3. No. So Raimundo now with that rebound playing on borrowed time. James Yap goes closer. Nasa laduran. Eh, may foul na nakita si referee Boy Cruz. Kinapitan ni Joseph Yeo si James Yap.
James Yap is in this ball game. Pag nahawakan niya yung bola, Santa Lucia really ready to give up that foul.
Yap for 3. Bang! Another 2-3 from Joe Carlos Yap. A total of 18 points for big game James.
So we talked about it at the start of the game, Richard. Give James Yap a chance to win it for you in the fourth quarter. Right now, James Yap just dominating this game.
Espino, supalpal niya Ducol. That was a gamble on Romela Ducol, ha? He has 5 fouls.
But you can't quit now. You know, those fouls, hindi mo na mauuwi yan. You have to play your defense and hope that the referees won't call a foul.
Baksak dito si James Yap and there's a blocking foul. Ball against Denok Miranda. Ryan Reyes checking back in place of Denok Miranda.
But here in the fourth quarter, James Yap owns Denok Miranda.
Ito na naman si James Yap for 3. Wala ko nalaglag one line. And the Pure Foods gallery ready to explode. Joseph Yeo goes inside. Left-handed layup is good. The Ninja slices the defense of Pure Foods and gives Santa Lucia back the lead.
Sakto-sakto sinabi mo, Richard. Parang ginamit niya yung samurai niya para makalusot ng tuluyan dun sa depensa ng Pure Foods. Another turnover para sa Pure Foods right now.
Well, just in time to catch that move by Dennis Espino, extending the lead of Santa Lucia to 3 points, 83-80. As makikita nga natin itong foul situation.
A lot of players from both teams really on the brink of graduating from this game. It is Game 7. You can't take home your fouls.
Pero parang ito yung mga main players ng Pure Foods ang may foul trouble. Niluwalang ng ring yung 3-point attempt na yan ni Noy Castillo.
That's a heartbreaker para sa Pure Foods.
Under 5 minutes remaining here in the fourth quarter. Game number 7. Dennis Espino working against Adugo, kicks it out. Ryan Reyes for 3, bang!
Up to this point, Ryan Reyes, before this game, only 1 out of 13 mula sa 3-point region.
What a big shot there by Ryan Reyes. Ito naman si Noy Castillo, ginugulo ni Joseph Yeo. Looking for James Yap against Ryan Reyes. 9 seconds to shot clock. James Yap dances inside. Wala. Nandiyan si Romel Aducol. Hook shot, masyado malakas. And Dennis Espino gets the rebound for Santa Lucia.
That's a couple of stops going in Santa Lucia's favor. One was a heartbreaker mula kay Noy Castillo, a 3-point shot. That one, the defense of Kelly Williams. This series or this game will be won by defense, and right now Santa Lucia's defense is stepping up.
Dennis Espino looking at the clock. Espino makes his move against Aducol. Espino gets the bounce. So Santa Lucia hitting one big shot after another. Samantala itong Pure Foods naghahanap ng kanilang puntos ngayon. They are down by 8 points. Here's James Yap. Here's Ryan Reyes. Pulls up for 3. Now! A couple of sorry misses para dito sa Pure Foods.
You have to feel for the Pure Food fans dahil nakita nila yun on the way down, just like we saw with Noy Castillo. A couple of 3-point shots, just an inch off. And this game, a game of inches, and that inch not going the favor of Pure Food.
Espino short in that 3-point attempt. There's Ryan Reyes. Wala pa rin. And Abulon hustles for that loose ball. All right, back inside the big dome. 3 minutes and 5 remaining here in the fourth period. Naman po ang Santa Lucia ng 8 puntos. Kanila pa ang bola. Joseph Yeo mingi ng screen kay Dennis Espino. Yeo against Mark Pingris. Looks at the clock. It reads 12 seconds. The shot clock. Joseph Yeo, Bubuelo. Joseph Yeo umatake. Joseph Yeo takes it out. It is tapped out. Meron pang 5 seconds sa shot clock ng Santa Lucia.
We talked about kanina nakita natin Peter Jun Simon going back to the bench. He had a solid game in the third quarter. Pumutok yan si Peter Jun Simon. Pagbalik dito, scoreless in the fourth.
Oh, what a big shot again by Dennis Espino. Santa Lucia now with a 10-point lead. The faithful of Pure Foods and the believers of Santa Lucia.
Right now, the believers, or rather the faithful of Pure Foods, need to increase their faith dahil down by 10, 2 minutes and 40 to go. They're gonna need some points in a hurry.
Ito na nga, nagmamadali si Raimundo pero nakagawad siya ng bola.
Richard, in this quarter has been the quarter of Santa Lucia. Pure Foods only 10 points in this quarter. Santa Lucia, on the other hand, 19 points so far.
Here's Kelly Williams. He goes up, 15-foot jumper, short. Delok Miranda, sa palpal ni Kobe Raimundo. Lead pass to Peter Jun Simon. And Peter Jun Simon finally breaking the silence of the TJ Giants.
Just fitting that it's Peter Jun Simon scoring that basket. Ang tagal niya ring nawala sa pagkuha ng puntos para sa Pure Foods. He gets back into the game, he scores right away.
Ito na ang Outlast 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng Outlast Maintenance Free Batteries. Walang dagdag, bawas sa tubig. And Santa Lucia may be under 2 minutes away from getting their first All-Filipino Championship. Ito, Roger Yap with the inbound chores. Finds Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo umatake. Kirby Raimundo goes up. Wala. Napika ng bola. Mapupunta. Kanino? Kay Ryan Reyes. And there's a foul as called. I believe this will go against James Yap.
That's just about wanting it para dito kay Ryan Reyes. Jumped over the ball, was able to secure it even if marami ng patating ng mga Pure Foods TJ Giants. Before that though, Kirby Raimundo, that has been the half for him. Only 2 points in this half, really struggling offensively sa second half ng laro nito. Ito si Kirby.
Araneta Coliseum, over 18,000 fans. And Dennis Espino, 20 points in the second half. This is a conference high for Dennis Espino, 27 points so far. And it took us in for Denok Miranda. In the meantime, titignan muna natin ang ating buhay Coke shot. Ito, mapapanood natin ang kapitan ng Santa Lucia, Dennis Espino. That was our buhay Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya buhay Coke, buksan mo. A split from the line from Denok Miranda. Here's Roger Yap. Yap finds Peter June Simon. Simon ngayon, bigay kay Kirby. Shoots a three. Too strong. And Vitorio Molon gets a rebound. And no choice for Pure Foods but to foul. The team owner of Santa Lucia Realtor is obviously very happy. Flashing the thumbs up sign. And Ryan Reyes increasing the lead of Santa Lucia. And Santa Lucia is on the verge of getting their first ever All-Filipino crown.
And you're Richard, this fourth quarter reminiscent of what this conference has been para sa Santa Lucia. Leadership by the veterans, Espino scoring big time, tapos yung ambag ng mga baguhan. Kaya ng ambag nito si Ryan Reyes.
But Roger Yap.
Santa Lucia, not really one of the better free throw shooting teams in the league. Actually, one of their problems is free throw shooting. And now Pure Foods lying their hope only on the free throw shooting of Santa Lucia.
And Santa Lucia has been very proud of their defense. And so far, here in game number 7, really forced a lot of turnovers on the part of the Pure Foods CJ Giants. Ito na ang inbound play. Roger Yap finds Noy Castillo. Fakes once. Takes it out to Kirby. Kirby shoots a three. That's offline. Vitorio Molon just holding on to the ball. And Roger Yap gives up the foul. 2 of 2 from the free throw line. But more importantly, it's been a defense also of Vitorio Molon.
Remember, Vitorio Molon, he's the one guarding Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo, like we said, only 2 points dito sa ating second half. So struggle para kay Kirby Raimundo. Only 11 points para sa kanya.
Ayan po ang mga deboto ng Santa Lucia. Dennis Espino, the veteran, playing like a veteran here in game number 7. Providing the experience for the Santa Lucia Realtors. Roger Yap again missing a 3. Tinapik ulit, balik kay Roger Yap. Roger Yap kicks it out to Noy Castillo. Extra pass to James. He had 4-3.
Para kay James Yap, did he actually have enough touches in the fourth quarter? Kanina, binabantayan siya ni Denok Miranda. He really owned Denok Miranda in that first couple of minutes of the fourth quarter.
Well, it's just a matter of dito sa ating fourth quarter, there was a stretch that Santa Lucia hit one big shot after the next. Ito naman Pure Foods simply could not buy a basket. And that proved to be the difference. So far, 40.6 seconds remaining.
The difference, Richard, has been turnovers. Para sa Pure Foods, they got 18 turnovers. Santa Lucia, only 4 turnovers in the entire game. Excellent number, whatever league you talk about. You know, that's been the story.
And Santa Lucia was able to get 20 points off those turnovers. And if you look at the score, they're up by 10 points. And that's really the key stat here in game number 7. Castillo fouling Dennis Espino. Here's the Santa Lucia bench. Just waiting for 31 more basketball seconds to start their celebration. A historical moment para dito sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Dennis Espino continuing to add on to his conference high production in scoring. 2 for 2 for Dennis Espino. A total of 29 para dito kay Dennis Espino. Peter June Simon. That's too strong. And Santa Lucia gets the ball. And Santa Lucia will just run down the clock. Santa Lucia will win game number 7 as Coach Ryan Gregorio approaches Coach Boyet Fernandez to congratulate the champions of the All-Filipino Cup. The Santa Lucia Realtors winning their first ever All-Filipino Championship. What seemed to be An improbable has happened, ladies and gentlemen, for the Santa Lucia Realtors. Nobody really giving them a chance at the start of the season, proving those great wrongs. And now they are the champions of the 2007-2008 Smart